Hi, this is me, Robin Whalley. I'm a landscape photographer and author. I help people create better photography, and that's what this channel is about. Every week I publish a new video showing you how you can create and improve your photography with editing. I usually use tools like Photoshop, Lightroom, On One, the Nik Collection, but I cover lots more. Importantly, I take requests, so if there's a topic you want to understand, let me know, I may be able to cover it. You'll find the videos on this channel a little bit different from a lot of YouTube. They're not about me trying to be crazy or funny. What I try to do is share information that's going to help you in a way that's easy to understand. Please take a moment to subscribe, then let's get to work on some great images.